Hey guys, it's Taylor. Thank you for joining my channel. I am currently going to do a full face with you guys, full coverage, full face. I just completed an eye look. My lashes aren't even dry yet. So we're gonna take this like very standard, natural, quick 5-minute to work beat, and I'm gonna show you how to turn that into I'm going out full glam beat. Alrighty, so let's get started. Gonna use my Huda Beauty foundation. You always want to go and cover like your neck. You don't need like a full layer on there, but you want to make sure like you don't look like you have a mask on or, by any means. So it shouldn't if your foundation is the right color, of course, but you know what I mean. So I like to set this with the brush and then I'll go back over with the sponge. So I'm going to highlight with my LA Girl Cosmetics in the color Fawn. And you highlight the highest points of your face. Then I'm going to contour with dark cocoa. For a really snatched look, you're going to put this on top of your jawbone. Previously, I always used to do under, but I've learned that it's actually better if you put it on top here, and I do like vertical stripes versus that horizontal stripe. I like to, especially if I'm doing full glam, I like to contour my forehead on the sides here. I just feel like that bronzy, extra bronzy look there makes it like really, really glam. Of course, go back and blend it all. You don't want any hard lines. For the nose, you cannot use that large brush, so get a smaller with a very small nozzle to blend out those hard lines. I carry it up this way, but it won't stay that dark. And then for your center, you want to use a separate brush so you don't mix those two colors because they are supposed to contrast, obviously. But I blend it out so there's no hard lines. I am going to do full glam, so I'm going to add another color of highlight. That's just like an extra step up, but we're only going to put a tiny bit of that color, and I'm going to use a small brush to do it. Bring it into the nose for an extra snatched nose contour. Now you can do this with a brush or a sponge. Most times I do use a sponge, but a brush does the job too, especially for great coverage. And as long as my blending is good, then I'm fine not using a sponge. Alright, everything looks good. So while it's all smooth is where I want to hurry up and set under my eye. Doing that quickly just, for me, relieves creasing from occurring. And to really get good in there. I'm going to use an angled small sponge. I'm making a mess. Alrighty, so we'll let that set. While we do, let's do our lips. Alrighty, so for lips, I'm going to take the NYX liner in the color Alabama. And we're going to line. The color I'm putting on is a little darker than this, but it'll work. Alrighty, and then we're going to put on the color from ColourPop in the shade Pearl Next Door. I'm going to put on a little bit of brush in the color Sweet as Cocoa from MAC. We're going to dust off our baking powder. There's nothing like Laura Mercier powder. Like, gosh, I cannot even explain. Look at that. And we're not even done. So pretty right here. So we're going to finish up with a contour powder. I personally use and love the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I use their foundation sometimes as well. I think it's perfect and it's very affordable. I'm just gonna sort of reiterate my contour with a little powder there. I'm using 360 Mocha. My nose doesn't need it. Sometimes if I didn't put enough or my baking powder sort of faded it out, you can reiterate it with that as well, but it looks perfectly fine. And now we are going to spray our face. Setting sprays, there's so many, but I like Morphe. I'm just out of it right now. I like MAC, but I'm out of it. Oh wait, no I'm not, I have enough. So let's go with MAC. I'm feeling like old Hollywood glam right now, and I'm living for it. And all we have to do is add a little highlight. I'm going to use the Pro Glow palette from Tarte and the shade Lit and Strobe, probably. In my hoodie, and oh, such a cold night, but I am warm, I am glam, and this is my fall makeup. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I hope you enjoyed. Check out the full look. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe. Like, I cannot explain how like excited yet like heartbroken I am that my watch time minutes are going up. They're skyrocketing, and I pray that that continues, but the subscribers are not changing. If I can do anything to help you feel more comfortable subscribing, let me know. I mean, leave a comment down below. We got to be honest. So if I am talking too much, let me know. If I'm not talking enough, let me know. Definitely let me know. I'm new at this. I'm not perfect, and that's hard for me to say as a perfectionist. So just leave comments down below and we'll go from there. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.